welcome to class 5 social studies. Okay, so today continuing with the topic of Saudi Arabia children. Okay, so we were seeing what was the occupation, how the life of the people, where it is located, what type of climate it has. Okay, so now we are going to see the dress children. Okay, men wear long loose cotton robes called twab. Okay, men wear long loose cotton robes called twab, and then they cover their head, children, as it is very hot now over there, so they cover their head. Okay, it is called as gutra. Okay, you can pronounce it as gutra. Okay, gutra. Then next one, the women wear long robes called abaya. Okay, women wear long robes called abaya, and they cover their faces with veil, children. Okay, they cover their faces with veil. So just I will show you here. So they wear a long robe, children. So almost from the shoulder level to the foot level, they wear this long robe. It is called as thwab. And then they cover their head from the sun and dust, that is called as gutra. Okay, then women wear long robes called abaya and cover their faces with a veil, children. Okay, now coming to the next one, what are the important cities over there? Okay, so the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Okay, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh, children. Okay, Riyadh. Okay, it is a well-planned city with skyscrapers, children. So skyscrapers means very tall buildings. That is the 30 or 40 or 50 floor or maybe 100 floor also it will be there. So that's why they are called as skyscrapers. And you have the educational institutions, markets, hospitals, as it is a well-planned city, children. Okay, so all the facilities are being provided, like educational institutions, hospitals, markets, okay, and parks. And it has got large tall buildings known as skyscrapers. Okay, the next one comes your Jeddah. Okay, this is also an important port city. Okay, it is a commercial city. Port means always goods. Okay, you can import goods or they may be exporting goods. So the ships will come and go, children. So Jeddah is a commercial city situated along the west coast of Red Sea, children. So in your location you would have learned that Saudi Arabia is located on the has got on the western side, it has got the Red Sea. So the Jeddah is a port city, children. Otherwise it is mainly a commercial city. Okay, then next one, there are two holy cities, children, for Muslims. Okay, they are Mecca and Medina. Okay, the Muslims go on a Hajj pilgrimage. Okay, so Mecca and Medina, these two places compulsorily they will visit, children. Okay, so the people go on for a pilgrimage to these two cities, Mecca and Medina. And then mainly, as it is a well-planned city, the most of the cities are connected by the four things, children. What are they? Airways, roadways, waterways and railways also. So these four ways here the cities are being connected, children. Okay, nowadays helicopter service also they are providing in important cities so that they can attract tourist, children. Okay, they conduct so many exhibitions or fairs also so that many tourists can visit their places. Okay, so take your textbook, children, learn it. By this Saudi Arabia lesson is completed. Okay, so take your book. So learn with map, children. Okay, always any country, anything you learn with map. First where it is located. Okay, then what are its relief features, then climate, vegetation, animals, and in this lesson you have learnt about oasis. Okay, that is a special feature of the desert, oasis. Then occupation of the people, life of the people, what dress they wear, and what are the important cities, children. Okay, they have the cities are well connected. Okay. Then mainly you learn the new words. Okay, children, see to this mind map also. It gives a shortened view about this lesson, children. Under each topic, what are the points you have learned to know, that one is being shown over here. Okay, take and learn that also. I will give notes in the WhatsApp group, children. Thank you.